What's up, everybody? It's the plant-based nutritionista. So we are live at lunchtime. I'm going to show you something that I don't normally do. So I am making falafels, and I experimented with making it a different way. So I don't know how these are going to taste. They are now done. I'm going to show you the pan. And I did what most people don't do. So I'm curious to see how these will taste, so we can taste them together. I'm going to go ahead and scoop these out. And I'm going to, oops, let me get a plate. Oops, I think I got some water in there. All right. Should probably turn the camera around. Hang on. All right, here we go. So these are looking a little different. So I went ahead and put it here so they can drain. So what I did differently this time was I used flour, and I mixed flour and baking powder in here, and I have different spices and herbs and things in here. And I forgot to let it sit for an hour before even cooking it. So we'll see how these came out. They're a little harder than, like, hear it, so crispy. These are not the healthiest thing to make. I'll tell you that now. I'm going to probably invest in an air fryer so that I can achieve the same result without this. So I'm going to let these cool off a little bit because these are now burning my hands touching them. I'm going to let you taste it with me. So come along. So here we go. So hot. Not bad. I have more batter. I was modest on the flavoring. I'd like to taste more garlic in here. I didn't put enough garlic. I'd also like to taste more coriander in here. And I think I'd like to taste some more cumin in here. I think I'd like to add some cayenne pepper. And probably another half a teaspoon or a teaspoon of salt. No. There it is. Not salt. I'm going to add some cardamom pods. Yep. I'm going to add some more oregano. And I think that will do. So it's good. The flavor is not as robust as I would like, but it definitely has way more flavor than you find at the store or the restaurant. Well, that's Live at Lunchtime with the Plant-Based Nutritionista. I'm here to inspire you to take your health back one meal at a time by eating more plants and moving your body.